Hey guys, another video today. This one's a bit different. I don't know if this will ever get posted, but there's a whole genre of costume underwear for men and kind of, I don't know, campy, or there's like the lingerie, there's the sissy style, there's costume, there's like clothes that have kind of a bit vulgar sayings on them just as a fun adult thing, but I got a few items that are in kind of the sissy zone. A couple of these were by request, and some fans had picked them out, so I don't mind. These were, you can find these on eBay, and they're pretty inexpensive, and they're kind of fun. And a few of them are on Amazon as well. So this is like it's going to be polyester, but it's going to, oh, Sissy is stamped on the actual thong item in pink. It's an elastic stretch T-back. It's pretty small T-back. The brand is Eiffel, Ieffiel. So it's made in China. It has like that satin vibe to it, but it's not. So it's kind of a fun costume thing to wear, and it's something fun to play with. Take some interesting photos if you like this style. There's a matching top to this I got as well, and then another thing that was suggested for me was this very bright pink, trending red, but pink polka dot thong that has these, I guess it's lace on the side. So kind of frilly lace, and it has a bulge pouch. It's definitely men's. Got the pouch here. Lot of fun. Also from the Eiffel brand, Ieffiel. This one's a lot of fun, actually. It fits pretty comfortably. What else do I got? Okay, so I have the same one I first showed you in blue writing. It says Sissy on it. It's different, right? It's certainly it's almost like a costume, playful zone. Is definitely a bit of a kink for those who are into it. It takes fun photos. It's playful, just clothes. So eBay and Amazon, and these are like less than $10, I believe. Large shipping was within 2 weeks. Um, they're not going to be the highest quality. They're not going to last a long time. The stitching is off a little bit. Sizing is perhaps a bit big. Definitely could have worn a medium in these. But it's fun, and again, for less than $10. So a bit costume, a bit campy style here. I haven't done too much of that particular style on this channel. If you'd like to see more, have any questions, do let me know. There's other matching items that I got with these as well by request, which is a lot of fun. If you see something you want me to review or try, do let me know. Happy to entertain it. Thanks again for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, check out my other links. Thanks, guys.